We've been to quite a few mines over the years, but we've never seen one that's intact. And to find stuff like this is super cool. Hey everyone, welcome back to Exploring Dirt with Dan and Carm. I'm Dan.
I'm Carm.
And today we are doing something a little bit different for us. We're hanging out with other people.
Yeah, really excited. We happen to be in Adventure Overland's neck of the woods, so today we are hanging out with Adam and Cheyenne.
Yeah, very exciting.
Yeah, we have never met them in person before, so this is a great day. We've been wanting to, and they just happen to not be doing anything this weekend and today, so really excited. They took us up to one of the mines in their area, so we're going to go check it out. Let's go.
Yeah, so upon pulling up, the first thing we saw was this massive conveyor belt. I don't know anything about this place, so I'm just going to show you. It's really cool though.
Pretty impressive.
It's quite huge. All the way across into that, probably a mill of some sort, but we're going to go in and check it out right now. Oh, these flies are crazy up here. No, they're just really annoying.
Oh, up north was bad last year.
So do you guys, you know what this is, right? I don't know what this is.
Yeah, so that's where they would keep all the good material to store. Yeah, so like it was all dropped to the rock crusher, crushed on the conveyor belt to where like they stored it, and then it was processed here.
Okay.
There's ball mills on the other side that you'll see in a little bit here. They're massive. But
probably the biggest you've ever seen.
Yeah,
oh, really?
Probably the biggest. There's still a lot of the conveyor belts and stuff. And Frank, even from Exploring Abandoned Mines, said that this is one of the most intact mill sites he's ever seen.
Well,
So,
We've never been lucky enough to find a building, ever.
Yeah. It's hard to really get just like the scale of it on camera, but it's huge.
Well, that's got to be standing about 120 feet,
Yeah.
at least, right? I think of the Greenwood smelter stack is probably about that high, maybe
Yeah.
100%.
actually not even. Wild.
Impressive.
Let's go check it out.
they do.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can basically just walk up. The
Oh,
conveyor.
wow. That's wild. Oh, this thing's wicked, man.
Yeah. The only thing's really missing is the actual conveyor belt itself.
This is probably one of the most amazing places I've been in, I think. Huh.
Yeah, it broke finally. Used to be able to get up there, but it's now broken.
Oh, no.
Rotten. The whole place is getting a little bit.
Yeah, well, eventually time does its thing, right?
So up there is just more conveyor belts, about 3, I think, kind of running this way.
Okay.
Fortunately.
I'll have to bring our own ladder next time. Hopefully the floor holds in.
When we came up here with Walter and Joanne from Pine Life Moments, I remember looking. I mean, getting a little sick. You want to go up? So.
Oh, luckily they seem to have made it, right? Yeah, this makes the conveyor I had it work look really small. Huh. Really cool.
It's neat. Some of these are actually still spinning, and some of them down there, spinning them like they're brand new.
No kidding. Oh, and there's the rat's nest. It's always around somewhere. Yeah, you can see down there, rust is starting to do its thing. Broken up and stuff. Cool.
Yeah, we'll basically just kind of like work our way back out.
Okay.
That's perfect. We'll tour.
That was a bit of a conveyor belt on this one. Watch your step. That's a little weak there.
Don't step there.
Whew. Yeah, that makes the ball mills in Headley look like nothing. I thought those were big.
The ball mills are like the actual balls are like the size of baseballs.
Really?
Yeah. Like just fine material.
Interesting.
With numbers, and like Cheyenne said, you'll actually see these numbers inside. Like
Oh, they're all skews and stuff. Yeah. Very cool. I can imagine how loud these were when they were running though, right? The sheer size of these is actually just kind of overwhelming. Not sure if the camera is even getting what I'm doing here, but I'm 6 feet and that's way, way up there.
So these have definitely shrunk a little bit. So in time. So that's
is that what that was?
Yeah. So there's a whole bunch there.
Oh yeah.
They were way bigger. Sometimes you'll find some. We have a couple that are, a good handful.
Oh, okay, yeah, there we go.
Like there's like a bigger one there.
Yeah. Wild.
Yeah, like the sound of that.
That would have been crazy.
Yeah.
There's a few down here, yeah.
So like the ones that we, yeah. There was a bigger one down there. Like that's a better size, but in time they're just going to kind of get smaller from all the abuse.
Yeah. Very interesting. So these must have worn down over time just being inside the ball thing too, right? Yeah. Wow. This place is truly unbelievable. Check it out. We've been to quite a few mines over the years, but we've never seen one that's intact. And to find stuff like this is super cool. All right, so we took a little walk up from where the ball mills were to go into a mine entrance, but unfortunately, that mine entrance is now, it has not collapsed. This has been totally filled in. I took a quick boo up here and there's a little small entrance hole. However, it seems to be quite, it's a tight fit. I'm not sure if I can fit, but the air coming out of there is crazy. It actually feels like you're in a windstorm right now. It's kind of wild. Turn my flashlight on, but even with the light behind me, you can't see anything. But yeah, that's probably only about 2 feet wide. A little bit of water on the bottom, doesn't look bad. It's too bad though. It's supposed to be a really cool one to go into. All right, so after a little bit of technical issues with somebody filling in the mine hole, we're going to drive up the hill a little bit here behind Adam and Cheyenne, and there's a couple other entrances to this mine. Hopefully we can get in, so I guess we'll see.
Mill down there.
Yeah, that mill was cool, right?
Yeah.
It's nice to finally see some mining equipment that's intact.
Awesome.
Oh, Adam and Cheyenne are really nice people. I'm glad we met up with them.
Yeah. Worked out well.
And there they go. Adam and Cheyenne, Adventure Overland. Thanks for taking us out today. All right, so that's it for today. Adam and Cheyenne have already gone on their way, and I think we're just going to take a quick poke around here to have a final look, maybe take some pictures.
Yeah, before we head home for the day as well. So great to meet Adam, Cheyenne, Adventure Overland. If you haven't checked them out, please do, and they're such great people. Even though we didn't get to go into the mine because somebody had filled it in, it was still so worth coming up here, seeing the mill up here as well, and for them taking us up here. So it's been a great day.
It really has. Great
Oh,
adventure. The sun's out. Unfortunately, we're back to reality, heading home.
Yeah. So thanks for sticking with us. And as always, we really appreciate you staying with us, watching our videos, tuning in and sharing our adventures. If you haven't already, please click that sub button. If you liked what you saw, we really appreciate it. It helps us out. And until next time.
Yeah. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and we'll see you out there.